Growing bitter melon, Mamortica tarantia, on a terrace in used recycling baskets can be a creative and sustainable way to cultivate this unique vegetable. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd or corilla, is a tropical and subtropical vine that thrives in warm climates. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can grow bitter melon on your terrace using recycling baskets and companion planting with banana plants. 1. Choosing the right location. Select a sunny spot on your terrace where the bitter melon plant can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Bitter melon requires full sun to produce healthy and abundant fruits. 2. Using recycling baskets as planters. Take the used recycling baskets and make sure they have drainage holes at the bottom. If they don't already have holes, create some to ensure excess water can escape and prevent waterlogging. Fill the baskets with well-draining potting mix, preferably a mix of compost, peat moss, and perlite or vermiculite. 3. Starting bitter melon seeds. Bitter melon can be grown from seeds. Soak the seeds in water overnight before planting to improve germination rates. Plant the soaked seeds about 1 inch deep in the prepared baskets and cover them with soil. Water the soil gently after planting. 4. Support for the vine. As bitter melon is a vining plant, it will need support to climb and grow. Set up trellises or bamboo poles near the baskets, allowing the bitter melon vine to climb and spread as it grows. 5. Watering. Bitter melon plants prefer consistent moisture, so water them regularly, keeping the soil damp but not waterlogged. During hot weather, you might need to water daily or every other day. 6. Fertilizing. Fertilize the bitter melon plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer, following the package instructions. Additionally, you can use organic compost or compost tea to enrich the soil. 7. Companion planting with banana. Banana plants can serve as beneficial companion plants for bitter melon. They provide shade and can help protect the bitter melon from excessive sunlight during the hottest parts of the day. Bitter melon, in turn, can benefit the banana plant by keeping the soil moist and providing some natural pest control. 8. Pollination. Bitter melon plants have separate male and female flowers. You may need to hand pollinate the female flowers if you notice low fruit set. Simply transfer pollen from the male flowers to the female flowers using a small brush or cotton swab. 9. Pest and disease control. Monitor your bitter melon plant regularly for any signs of pests or diseases. Common pests include aphids, mites, and fruit flies. Consider using natural pest control methods like neem oil or introducing beneficial insects to control pest populations. 10. Harvesting. Bitter melon fruits can be harvested when they are still green and young, around 3 to 6 inches in length. As the name suggests, bitter melon has a bitter taste, and the bitterness increases as the fruit matures. Harvest regularly to encourage continuous fruiting. If you want to buy metal body hose splitter, please visit gardenmania.net and order now. And now we talk about how to grow chilies at home. Growing chilies, also known as peppers or hot peppers, can be a rewarding and enjoyable gardening experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you successfully grow chilies. Selecting seeds or seedlings. Choose a variety of chili pepper that suits your taste preferences and growing conditions. Some popular varieties include jalapeno, habanero, serrano, and Thai chili. You can either start from seeds or purchase young seedlings from a nursery. Choosing the right location. Chilies thrive in warm and sunny conditions. Choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure the soil is well draining and has good fertility. Preparing the soil. Chilies prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil, with a level around 6.0 to 7.0. Test your soil and amend it if needed. Incorporate well-rotted compost or aged manure into the soil to improve its texture and fertility. Planting. If starting from seeds, plant them indoors a few weeks before the last expected frost. Transplant the seedlings outdoors once the weather is consistently warm. If using seedlings, plant them directly into the garden bed after the last frost has passed. Spacing. Space chili plants 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for good air circulation and prevent overcrowding. Watering. Water the plants consistently, keeping the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely between waterings. Water at the base of the plant to prevent water from sitting on the leaves, which can lead to fungal diseases. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plants to help retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and prevent weed growth. Fertilizing. Use a balanced fertilizer or one that's higher in phosphorus and potassium, which promote flowering and fruiting. Follow the recommended application rates on the fertilizer label. Support and pruning. Some chili varieties may benefit from staking or support cages as they grow to keep the plants upright and prevent branches from breaking under the weight of fruit. Pinch off any side shoots or suckers that form in the leaf axils to encourage the main stem to grow stronger. Pest and disease control. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids, caterpillars, and whiteflies. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil if needed. Fungal diseases can be a concern, especially in humid conditions. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent disease. Harvesting. Chilies can be harvested once they reach the desired size and color. The longer they stay on the plant, the hotter they tend to become. Use scissors or pruning shears to carefully cut the chilies from the plant to avoid damaging the stem. Remember that growing chilies may require adjustments based on your specific climate and conditions. Regular care, attention, and a little experimentation will help you achieve a successful chili harvest. If you want to know 7 unique ways to grow Magra jasmine plant, please visit our YouTube channel and watch our previous video.